Water. There's nothing like it. I'll tell you what. Water is the fountain of youth. It's the river of life. It's essential for the body to function. But water can also be that cesspool, that lagoon, that marsh. There's a lot of junk that can be hidden in water as well. So let's talk about both aspects of water. So first of all, water is very healthy. Most of our body is made up of water. Every cell in our body needs adequate hydration to perform and to function right. Water is needed for detoxification and cleaning out the gunk in our body. So you need water, and you want to make sure that the water you're getting is clean, purified, and healthy water. So water is very important. A lot of people ask, well, how much water should I drink a day? We can kind of take your ideal body weight. So I should weigh 160 pounds, or I should weigh 170 pounds. Divide that by 2, and that's going to be the ounces of water you need per day. So if I weigh 160 pounds, I need about 80 ounces of water in a day. And now if you're going to be exercising or in a very humid, hot environment, you might need a little more water to keep yourself hydrated. So water is very important. One thing about water too is you're not going to be thirsty until you're at least 1 to 2% dehydrated. Now 2% dehydration, your body is not going to function optimally. It's going to get sludgy. You're going to feel fatigued, apathetic. So you're not actually going to feel thirsty until you're actually dehydrated. So you have to make hydration a habit. One other thing about when you're drinking is you can't just guzzle water and drink a whole thing. Your body can only absorb about 2 to 3 ounces at a time. If you guzzle a bunch of water, you're actually going to just diurese, so you're going to go pee the water out and it's not going to hydrate you. So you should be sipping water consistently throughout the day. The one last thing I want to say about water is a universal solvent. That means a lot of stuff can be dissolved in water. So you want to make sure that the water you're drinking is very purified, because stuff, even tap water, there's a lot of microorganisms, bacteria in there, and if there isn't a lot of bacteria in there, that means there's probably a lot of chlorine and fluoride in the water. The chlorine is there to kill the bugs. The fluoride is there to help with your teeth, but they're finding that high fluoride levels can actually cause more teeth decay. And of course, chlorine can be at higher levels not very healthy for you as well. So if you're going to be drinking a lot of water at home, get a filter, or you can use bottled water. The problem with bottled water is you're going to be wasting a lot of plastic bottles. So just get a good hard Evian type bottle and use filtered water and try to save the environment as well with less plastic. So again, water can be the fountain of youth if it's healthy. Make sure you're hydrating often throughout the day. Small amounts, small sips, equaling 1/2 your ideal body weight in ounces per day. So good luck, and here's to hydration. And I have to say, cheers.